Hello everyone. This is Koh Phi Phi, a small island located in the Andaman Sea. I am at the Lamtong beach. There are a few restaurants here by the beach. The restaurants mainly run by families. They offer delicious home-cooked Thai food. I have ordered stir-fried chicken with ginger, chicken green curry, and pad Thai with chicken. My food will be cooked with fresh ingredients. This lovely lady is preparing the vegetables for the green curry. These are Thai eggplants, big onion, she is putting the eggplants into a bowl of water. The fire is ready and there goes 2 big woks. The cooking will be done in high flame. Some oil for the stir fry. And some coconut milk for the green curry. Sliced ginger goes in. Eggplants. And some water. She is adding thinly sliced chicken to the ginger. Homemade green curry paste. Some red chilies go to the green curry pot. White sugar. Brown sugar. Oyster sauce. Some freshly cut vegetables. Now, chicken goes into the curry pot. Stir well. Fish sauce. Add some chopped spring onion. And it's ready. Looks very delicious. Some fresh curry leaves go to the curry pot. And it's ready as well. The portion is generous for one person. New wok for the pad Thai. She is cutting some tofu into little cubes. Oil. Sliced shallots. Chicken and tofu in. Stir well. One egg. Add some water so that it doesn't get burnt. Flat rice noodles in. White sugar. Fermented shrimp paste. Oyster sauce. Fish sauce and other sauces go in. Mix everything well and let it cook for a while. Add some fresh bean sprouts and some chopped green onion and stir well. It's ready. Green curry is usually enjoyed with white jasmine rice. The pad thai has been garnished with a lemon slice, cucumber slices and some crushed peanuts. The food is delicious. The view is incredible. Would you like to dine here? Let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching.